Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use Claude for research writing. It's not so complicated, so you just need to open up Claude, start a new project, not a new project, but a new chat, and then what you want to do is get the topic of your research. For the example of this video, I'll be researching the YouTube algorithm. So something you can type is, I want to research the ins and outs of the YouTube algorithm, provide concise, accurate information in, I'll just say 500 words, and you can write a simple prompt like that and then go from there. So then I'll click on go, and then Claude will begin the process of starting to think. It will search the web for all the information, and then it will give you all the article basically. So how the YouTube algorithm works, what it is, and you can see it's put it in headings, okay, subheadings, and this is where you can go now and tell it what you like about the research and what you don't like about the research. You can tell it to elaborate on certain things. So you can go now, for an example, can you elaborate on shorts? And then it's going to go continue to work, search the web again, and then it'll go YouTube Shorts algorithm and then give you a much more deeper dive into that. So it's pretty straightforward and simple. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.